The city's going to do everything it can, but the potential here is for a catastrophic event.
Yes, we do have a storm headed our way. Sandbridge, Back Bay, and the southern watershed will be impacted significantly.
We want to stress to our public that the City of Virginia Beach is well prepared.
We will be activating the Emergency Operations Center starting tomorrow.
What we're really trying to do right now is increase the flood capacity of the city's overall drainage system.
Please stay informed. We have 311. And finally, vbgov.com and all of our social media of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter will continually keep everybody updated.
Governor Northam has issued a mandatory evacuation order for residents in Zone A. Those who need other arrangements, the city is making shelters available.
We do have sand available for those residents that would like to fill sandbags located over at our Sportsplex.
City of Virginia Beach, as of noon today, opened up its parking garages.
Significant track change occurred overnight. And as a result, the projected impacts to our city have been significantly reduced.